Mwanjito margeria wita seni ya Soko TV nigo cyaragire chensa isano na ibire cyabona mugaso cinga kina kwariganirya maya chensa isano na ibire karasoike eritariane Diana Ndemo. Mwanjito margeria tugo cyakabene kurwa ase county ya Nyamira niga ya Mateyo Moroki wa University ya Moi uyo gotoka ase nyumba ya mohyo bomenyo ya Kyongi gasiriti obuguma bwae me ya Nyamira ni atebiringa niga etaisanegeti no roboti robwaire kose postmortem wo mwana bo Nyagusira Sheri Ohanga niga bono basiro bwene ase batebire niga batagete obutumekie nabago bonenge waine okorekana
mama mwana uyo usira Sheri Sunanda oyorenge mo university olikia betene urwete kurega na bayibona no watu yakirege gamo Sheri no toriska bana postmortem ya koliru na daktari yule gokora bana nchige ndonda tebe otoira malchibu ngateba bino mwana oyo ne nigabwate inchali aigo osemo yogotugo koliga bana nchengora na spinal cord no koboko kasinara ukoli sidi ukoli abwate inchali yake daktari yarenanga lakini nchewe mina mamu mwana otinisa nitina machibu aye
Tanje Vincent Jomo Okongo umwana no mochukorone umwana oyo ngino mwana igarwete gusiria umwako ya juice tarakora matuko na ende kubwatikana yanyalekanire nga ayanara amubwatire egento narigereria kerongo tinjia mange egento ntegete kurwa ase program yagenderete kurwesa abase nyagetari postmortem justice ekolekane kiagera wekesere tindo chinga gente kengialenge byekiaro nyagetari era kurike report unayerora lakini scene ntubwato bakongume ikiagera kurwali so mwana arutire kurwa omwana igarutire talinga okoranga agetwe agakwa omoelio kago ikabono bakamagurwata bakabwatira na bakaruta wichinzi aese bamurutirete na omwana igite kugwera enseme erieta bwenereti kubanga omuntu ngugwera alengero
abwe nyombe iyo aserikali eikaroro bunego konya gutamba abantu bande na intwe eirokoboko etokonye ekogera abwe omwana oyo agwete korwa abantu mbarengo serikali etubwata okoboko etokonye tumanyo omanya
Mwanjito margeria tugusuka mutwe magega ya Soko TV kumurikira omoroki wa Okabianga University oyole omwaka ogatatu oyolenge no kuganya we school fees eyo yarenge chiribu emiyemo na 53 kurwa ase kinyoro kya Nyansiongo miye wodi ya Bukira nigobono anyoliro bokonyi gwetera oyo kurige kirogo kyo bugavana ase county yo Omoske James Kemoni
good and abako mali one of the experience
Alieta nengor questa kirbochor amwane ambokeira ke konge
sangona chwa jito kuiwa mangana oyo muchando lenge umwana
muchando mwana yabeiro gakoremerwa amatuka amange sana no ukogende skuru digeirete oko tutari kwenyara na kia kogere irete na besa tabwa tari kogenda yani tuari ko makoba nige irete ge koba
Zengoro ko Christine Nyarange Mose seito igaigage konge Bukira nabona rigeti obokonyi kurwari gwikanyamira nabona nyorira obokonyi kurwa seba abantu au na ndengo bakirambi ya mona guchakira tuchakira omwishimiwa James Kemoni oyokobori obo governor na mwakire mbia mona asogongonya kuria ngonyire na bonsi bari bangonyire asekeria geke gosikinge bangeire na bakire mwensi mbia mona
Mose Omwana yarigite rieta rya sokoro ya Mose no mugako no kwete batiga abana babanjete lakini agaika kogera Nyasaye bunaro umuya omwana Nyasaye asomira obokwangu paka bono nyorire esemye ko muire sukuru bono bunanyorire bono ebese ya muburire bono asinyugo tosaba asinyunga ingongo saba tabwati sikemoni tiganya sa amurigerelinse na igoro none chikura kya bunawe chakonyora gie sa mwana ko bakabere ebikona gokora ne binene
tambora ncha marieta Simeon Maranga Ondieki ekenyore kenyansiongo gekorokwa gekongesa profession inke ndo murai inkike asaba ishimigwa bali baso kyoko boko muguko by the way buno ryorwete 20,000 ne renke nya temsikemoni
Mungu wangu aliyejua mbinguni aliyesaidia mtoto wangu akiwa na 5,000 akapatiwa university ya Pana, lakini Mungu kiwa umsaidie akimaliza kazi akumbuke baba yake.
Naboigo abalimi bekemerie chai be factory ya Kibirigo nigo barura matuka 5 nabere hochase factory ya chai ya Kibirigo bakorege karo kya bene no nyataribo bachiye kwa kwenda asomagro asebatebire buna nigo botume kiboro be ase factory yo naboigo maga yabo kubeka ekina ase kigambiro kya Nyamira wikira boni gati baranyora amachibo asebaborire abaraibe kebe factory yo kwenekya mlangwe sokya bale nagokwana nabalimi
ndati wakira balemi bakibirigo miyambi ya mono sana singi yoko babalemereria kare bonus ya sogete ya lenge shilingi 13 abalemi babete mono bakangya gutugure chai tukabanga twabakaninga karati gake bakaganiko gendo mogomo tukabakaninga karati gake asingi twa minetinga ntwabegeta mangana itase court ya Nyamira itwaganyete ruling yale ko bali tukoli ya lero ruling ya bele litukoli ya lero lakini etaeti omulemi eyaki ya yeli yale koligia
siria ideli gotoita moyo because ngo ekaroto endorata ko bwati egendeke ndobwato bo maene ngangaki omulemi nera supreme authority na ndendole justified ngangaki ekene ekito ta korete ngoke bwati tole toke kore erinde to koira na tonyoro boene bwo mulemi
inchase ritukoria lero ninde no moichano monene sana karatweka koti ali togotebwa buna nto for the procedure lakini chipoint to kwagiu na bochiro chikwenta gotekererwa ekina kyale ntwenjerende ngao naende ntodiko chikotigeraga kwanda tora apiri goromono
wono ntokaro chibokonyi no ene tipotire bakale goteba ngai bano barabu baberete ditanga ni kabisa tigangira ni limigosi ngambi ya mono asogo tobwati sinandaga endere gotobwati siga egere mpaka toikero baene bwaita sebo berete
ko bolio mosene tokoroku migosi obairo gotenena no mulemi asama tu concept naende nko sabera ngaba abarai baito balito chorete oyo mo MP ito mo senator mo governor na no nyina ba MCA kamuranja abalimi bachandikire umwakonde mbabwati chibesa bakwirira abane skuru
na ande tiganga kero yo minto umusene tokoria obosene tokorukwa migozi Jeremia migozi na mbia mono otenine na intwe na ende genda gotena na intwe eri gente ke tokenguse paka tobeke statement ye na ende go chikoti chira genuine buna mutachi ateba turwanire omulemi anyore yakiyaya asomya abana tutaite nsenso mete na guzina reso
Naboigo nigo bosemia bwarure gochiasa baibori kuro Nyamira kwenekyanga kurenda bale abana babo ekero kye sentambe cross chisabo chimbe naboigo ebinyobwa byo gotindia bagokwana ase school ya Centrisa International ekero kyomuyiga bwokwebnana egutwa gochiasa borokwa ba PP2 bakoragwa no mo director Evan Sokemwa nigo boigo bairera obuya bwa CBE asogokinia ebyegwa
Asante erietari anengoro ku Dr. Evan Sokemwa kenanda ni director ya school ya Centrisa International tutate wote anga litikoria lero ntubwa ntore no malembe sana kiagera abana baitu ba PP2 kogenda bale kuru bale primary baje primary
igo rero tubwate mogoko na nitwendete gusangiria achievement twarosire omwaka uyu mugima ndoche ng'a ntwatema tugakaba bake syllabus abana bari baisiri buya nandi buna bakogenda katwabaire omwaka nabo torengereti ng'a kera bari kastina utomeke follow up abana bono iga twachake skuru January lakini ya sao tuancheire yakini bwango ndoche ng'a bono iga tubwata abana 186 CPC ne kalikara mwenya lakini bono buya bwa CPC ne ringa teri kweni courage road running ne binde twagasomire okiramuga arabu wa etamate lakini tumaitikende CPE yeye obuya bwa yembolinga nabo ko identify talent y'omwana erindo mubeke eraini ya gusoma egente gukikomokonya ne gya konyara teri ngoko betereri gusoma gende gyose bono goikara CPC helps us to identify the various talents of our children.
Erietari anenkoro ku Dennis Nyaega Mounde omo chairman we school ya Twiza International. Rero gotwachamo buna abaibori n'abarimu n'abana ba Twiza International asenge yo gosherekea omwaka twakorire buya anyasa turendira bakabana baitu twakorire omwaka buya. Ogosaba goito ngoringa nyasa togareye naenda atokini buya atomenta chinguru eskuru yekine both abana baito batwaje semi chingiya chirengete rieta tubwata ariko ruko Twiza International komenta nayo otwataka gwakera abaibori baito okwaeri ko bana abana bayendeka na kubasororanga batorendera abana baito buya ekiagera bono iganka bintomire bya chakira okorekana nawa desbitari buya so gosaba goito nkoringa abaibori baitekera bakogendaka eruse ye nentambe abana baito barendu buya baya gwendagera buya barendu mbagenda kuminyoka ndake baraumie no gosaba goito kwengera mwaka gokoera nandi tugukura the festive season abana baito bairene barabaya
Nabaiga nigo kuboru kwarulia gochia ase chinse chorobongoro Afrika kumulikira oboroiro bwa polio na gusemia abantu burabaranyara bagwitanga no boroiro bwo ase batebire buna nigo boroiro bwo bokole maria omobere nabaiganire bya chinchira koligererigwa erio banyare bakonyara burabaranyara bagokora omuchando yo opolio oyokole maria amagima y'abantu.
To mark this week of World Polio Day, Rotary clubs from around the world are creating awareness for this wonderful cause. So the Rotary clubs in this region, which is the eastern region of Kenya, have come together to try and create awareness through a Fashion for Polio event. Why a Fashion for Polio? Because we are Africans and we want to tell the story of Africa through our lens. We want to showcase our different cultures because we are coming together to eradicate this disease. Polio is just the second disease in the world to be almost eradicated. We are this close and we want to ensure that we don't go backwards. We want to ensure that every child is vaccinated. Right now, I think globally it has never been more important than now for us to take ownership of who we are as Africans. And when we want to tell our stories, we want to tell them from a point of view where we are represented. When we talk about who we are shown through our culture, our food, our dressing. So it's very important to us to keep remembering who we are deep down as Africans, even as we give back to our communities through eradicating disease. Polio is one of the many diseases that Rotary is involved in treating and preventing.
We're here to walk for polio by celebrating the ability, the gift of being able to walk. Walking in terms of having a show of traditional dresses, different outfits. Why is it important? Because 35 years ago, Rotary International decided to take the step to eradicate polio from the face of this earth. And since then, together with partners, we are 99.9% complete on that mission. So us Rotarians, together with other partners, are seeking to just get rid of polio in the few endemic areas that we have together in the world.
Nabaigo igati abasai kurase county ya Nyamira nigo besokirie na kuruwa okoboria kwa buguchia asomra ibensi ya Kenya asibaborire muri ibensi ya Kenya kwene kyabona wikiraniare amaganio y'abananchi nabaigo nigo baborire abarai hose abajumbe kwene kyabona nabarubungo nyarabale bakubwati nabaigo kurigiria serikali nali yagendete gukora sibatebire buna bachigo batuma inka onyeti bari guchwikirania amaganio y'abananchi nabaigo wikirania engeria y'abananchi manchito muliria tikatonera roboti urukuru sigati y'abasai kurose county ya Nairobi
will not tolerate going forward. And we are saying this to the young people of this country. Surely, time has come when we need to liberate our country and bring change. This government that people are debunking on for governance, for good governance, will not come. So we are saying this, we are ready for 2027, and we are telling President William Samoei Ruto, for as long as you continue to do these theatrics that you're doing at youth empowerments with your deputy president, things that will not are not beneficial to any Kenyan. We are saying this, in 2027, you're going to be the first president to serve Kenya as one term. And we are saying this, we are focused, we want to change this country. And we are going to make sure in 2027, this parliament, I want to announce, this parliament consistently, members of parliament will be electing people who pretend they are not aware of what they are supposed to do in that parliament. We are saying this in 2027, if you want any seat as a parliamentarian, first of all, you must tell us if you understand the constitution.
Na gwikira womanjito muligiria bwita Senegal Soko TV na gukorera magia chinsa isano na ibere kole ne chugora chinsa 10 no yenyore anda mange no muyo minto Clinton Ondige na bigo chinsa chia butko seyamo ya margoba mona chinsa isato cha margoba no yenyore asobwa gari chinga kya basaki bayita bagendete kwene kya munanko torentera bari chiroboti asenchira yabene tyanga kiringambi ya mono ase aba director bane kurase studio ya kabiri awubene kiribuna amalyo gine kibichango wikirala asenchira yabene tumane ankyo asemesa ya maya irietariane Diana Ndemo.